Ka Sorkar Jela Kalapaniat Biang Syakmat Eka Jingshnai ke Surok Folen na Sherpi Syabanyun. Hadin bagi yang syari kelasya ban beteng biang yakakam, tangba kamdai ban keta ai pat eki shispa laip santeli kidiang kiba kordor. Bat nang ni Syakmat, lada dai ban penklem kinu kidiang kiba kordor, dai bani Jingbit Shwa na yang syari ne na High Power Committee. Unaba bahata charji ubelong nong ai boit ke Japan International Cooperation Agency, kabelika kenhuan kababai tengkai ke Surok na Shillong Chatamabil. Uloong baka hukum kebelapan mi deki yang syari kalong kebabiang bah. Namar kalau betha badai ban kelano ek alignment ban snai ke Surok ban yadai kidim. Uloong baka yang syari kam syam lapan sange eru iki kam kijam ban snai ke Surok hagibai pat Jica jong ke Surok na Shillong Dawki. Uni unong ai boit uloong baleng ba ka kampa ka tenat forest kan satung ru iki dieng ha ka klau kom shibenta jong ke Jingpyntrei iki dieng ha ga jing snai ke Surok. Bat ke NHIDCL kelada ban plat ke pisa komba katway ne kat ar klur tengka syakatanat forest.
Jica will do lot of studies before they sanction their fund. Unlike World Bank and ADB who give sanction and then during the course of implementation of the project they are fully involved. But this is not the case with Jica. So that time also Transis group from Mumbai on behalf of the Ministry of Highways, they were appointed to do the alignment of the road. So once they were doing the alignment, we suggested to them that these trees are to be left so that the alignment can be moved a little towards the right, towards the helipad side. In fact, at one stage there was also a proposal to construct a flyover to avoid cutting those trees. But that was not found feasible because it was near a defense installation. So the next alternative was to change the alignment. And accordingly, this Jica gave a proposal. Now you see, once we make a project report, again from the ministry side, NHIDCL also engages. So as far as Jica, we said you shift the alignment to the right, change the alignment so these trees are saved, so that this work can go ahead in a smooth manner. Then the approval from Ministry of Defence also came late. Then there are 16 hectares of diversion of forest land for non-forestry purpose, this construction of road, that also the ministry gave approval. So the compensatory afforestation will be undertaken under Kampa by the forest department. So that part also has been looked after. So now the High Court has given a very good decision that you change the alignment and so that these trees are saved. Otherwise the High Court has said they have not stopped work in the other areas. There are other trees also which in forestry is known as the mother trees or the seed bearing trees. So those also are to be preserved and conserved till they reach their end of rotation.
Kadkum kejingi tu jong u kidan pratali kitop mau bena dan na Shillong Dawki bahap ban peniat lengbai ke Surok. Mereka NHIDCL kelarai bahkan keta ikini ke mau bena. Batkan sepenuhan dor kerpang ke Jingpyntrei ke Surok ban kiar na kini ke mau bena. Namar ladapan kenria ke mau bena kadan kejinglian niam le rukom ke ban simpor bah. Kenang ban lak ban kenria ki nagowe ke Jica syakawai pat.
Now I will tell you another interesting aspect which many people are not aware. You see, the Japanese are so meticulous. You are aware, Ladon apo Mabana apo Linti from Shillong to this Dawki. There are 8 sets of Mabana. These Japanese brought experts and engaged our local experts and the traditional heads, the CMs, because when I was working, I engaged all our Khanajongi, upon local resources, Jingpyntrei Foundation, needs, Ladon buffer, Baro Khanajongi, educated, we have the resources within our youth. Why bring from outside? So several rounds of discussion, research was done, and they did not want to hurt the local sentiments by removing this Mobana. So here also we ensured that the alignment is tweaked or changed so these mabanas also are not affected, except two, because we told them that there is a lengthy rituals if these mabana are to be shifted from one place to another. So you see, Japanese are very meticulous and they do not rush into things. And one very important aspect is they have lot of respect for the tradition and culture of the area where they are going to fund.
Halor kejing shnai kejing kieng na wa kadat cha Shillong. Unaba bhatacharji uletho bak NHIDCL kan sa penyang yau tawa wajrong gombashis pa san meter ban kiar na kejing pom iki pau hajar teliki diang bat ban penjular ki klau gi betap. Uloong bar kejing le akomne om tang bakan yada na kejing penjular kamai mariang nrei kan longru kalat ban kring shosho kinong jung okai perthai. Uloong ba ondaladep ban shnai kini kesurok kan ai kejing mentoy ka bakrau bhai ki pat ba kejela ha ka bakat pensuk kalit kawan bat kan kentiu shosho yaki kam jung okai perthai.
You see example of Wakadite, because that old Dawki bridge will now go. One bridge will come up from Wakadite upon Jingpyntrei. So in that area also there is lot of vegetation, forest. So they wanted to first go down, but we found out that few thousand trees will have to be cut, including the kwai trees. So that's why we said they finally decided that one tower will come up at Wakadite at 105 meters, and all the forest will remain below, and from here it will connect directly to Jingpyntrei. So you see, it will be a tourism marvel, a tourist attraction, and engineering marvel. So this forest cover also remains intact. So such is the involvement. So I hope that once this road is constructed, it will be a boon for the people. And you see, we have done up our system Jangik and traditional Lao Lingdo, Lao Niam, Lao Kintang. All these areas, forest covers, like sacred groves, all these also we have made sure that they remain untouched if they are falling within the ROW.
Katkom kaneka project kabalabay tengka da Jica. Anshnai ke Surok folen nadu na sherbi shadu sha banyon ha apa Shillong, bat nadu na banyon pad anshnai ke Surok tulen shadu sha tamabil. Kentup ru ke jingtiang na wa kadat ban penyaso bat ka Jingpyntrei ha ke district West Gentia Hills.